In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a PS4 controller to your PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go in and use a PS5 controller and go up to the very top of your PS5 and select this little settings here to bring up your settings. From here, you're going to want to scroll down until you see accessories. Go ahead and select it. It should be located underneath screen and video, but select it and then select general, which is up at the very top, and go into Bluetooth and accessories. Once you're in here, you'll see any controllers that are already connected. And as you can see, I low-key have a lot of controllers connected right now, but that's because we all run NCAA on my PS5. Essentially, what you're going to want to do though is grab your PS4 controller, and to put your PS4 controller into pairing mode, simply hold the share button and then the PlayStation button at the exact same time, and keep holding both buttons until the light bar on the controller starts flashing. Whenever it's flashing, that means that controller is in pairing mode, and then back up on your PS5, you should now see the PS4 controller appear under accessories found at the very bottom. Simply select it using your PS5 controller, and after that, your PS4 controller will connect to your PS5 and it'll be ready to use. It really is that simple. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.